Hello everyone, so we'll be starting with practice set 1.4 today of algebra standard 10th. Now for the first time you are getting x and y in the denominator. Till 1.3 the x and y were the variables with the coefficient. Okay, so here 2 upon x, 3 upon y, you have the variables in the denominator. In such a situation, what you have to do first? Okay, first thing you have to do is let 1 upon x equals to a and 1 upon y equals to b. Okay, now this is 2 upon x means 2 into 1 upon x, yes or no? Okay, 2 upon x means 2 into 1 upon x. That means instead of 2 by x, I can write 2a. This becomes 2a because 1 upon x we have taken a. Okay, so likewise everything will get changed. Okay, let us write this. So if I take this as 1, this as 2, this will become 2a minus 3b equals to 15. Okay, I'll give this third one, and this will become 8a plus 5b equals to 77. This is fourth one. Okay, now you are just in practice set 1.1 again. Okay, now these are very simple simultaneous equation. Now how will you do this? Either you will equate the coefficients you have to equalize, or you can substitute. Okay, I'll just substitute, or I will equalize. Let us make this as 8. Okay, so multiplying equation 3 by 4. Okay, if I multiply this by 4, this will become 8. So this becomes 8a minus this becomes 12b equals to this becomes 60. Everything you have to multiply by 4. Okay, you got a new equation number 5. Now you can see 8a plus 8a, if I do, it will become 16a. So what we have to do? We have to subtract them. So subtracting equation 5 from 4. Okay, so this is 5 I'll write below, 4 I'll write above. 5 is 8a minus 12b equals to 60, and fourth is 8a plus 5b equals to 77. Subtraction, the sign here will get minus, this minus will become plus, this plus will become minus. Okay, so 8a minus 8a becomes 0, plus 5 plus 12 becomes 17b. Okay, and 77 minus 60 will become what? 17. Okay, so we got b equals to 1. We got the value of b equals to 1. Now substituting b equals to 1 in equation, any of the equation 3, 4, 5 you can take. I'll take third one because it is smaller. 2a minus 3b equals to 15. Okay, so 2a minus 3, instead of b I am writing 1, equals to 15. 2a minus 3 ones is 3 equals to 15. Okay, then 2a equals to, this will become 15 plus 3, so 2a equals to 18. Okay, so therefore a is equal to 9. Okay, children, they have asked us to find x and y. Where have we reached? We have found b and a. Now once we have got a and b, we can find the values of x and y also. How? Just see. So I have written the values of a and b again that we got. Okay, and after that I am doing the sum, that is resubstituting. This word is very important. Resubstituting the values of a and b. Okay, so 1 upon x is equal to a, yes or no? So 1 upon x is equal to 9. Okay, cross multiply. If you do, you will get 9x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 by 9. This is you got for x. Similarly, for y, what will you get? 1 upon y equals to b, or 1 upon y equals to, what is b? B is 1. So if you cross multiply, you will get y equals to 1. Okay, so you got x is 1 upon 9, y equals to 1. So you will write like this. Solution is what? 1 upon 9 comma 1. Okay, understood how to do it? Very easy. As we do more and more sums, it will be far more easier to you. Second one, you can see in the denominator you have x plus y and x minus y. Okay, so what you will do first, let 1 upon x plus y equals to a and 1 upon x minus y equals to b. Okay, this you have substituted as a and b. So if this is 1, this is 2, this will become 10a plus 2b equals to 4. Okay, this is equation number 3, and this will become 15a minus 5b equals to minus 2. This is equation number 4. Okay, then how will we solve this? We have to equate the coefficient, or we have to use the substitution method. This is 15, this is 10, so the LCM will be bigger. This is 2, this is 5. Okay, so what will we do? We will multiply equation 3 by 5 and equation 4 by 2. Okay, multiplying equation 3 by 5 and equation 4 by 2. So we'll get this as equation 3 by 5. So 50a plus 10b equals to 20. This is new equation, so I'll give equation number 5. And this by 2, so this will be 30a minus 10b equals to minus 4. Okay, this is equation number 6. So if you observe, now we have equated the coefficients of b plus 10b minus 10b. So simply adding equation 5 and 6 will give us the value of a. So I'll write this 50a plus 10b equals to 20 and 30a minus 10b equals to minus 4. If I add them, this will become 80a, this will get cancelled. Okay, this is what? 16. So a is equal to 16 by 80. 80 will go below. Okay, so a is equal to 1 za 5 za 1 upon 5. Now to find the value of b, we will find substituting a is equal to 1 upon 5 in equation. Any equation you can take, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll take third one because it is smaller. 10a plus 2b equals to 4. Okay, now 10, this is 1 by 5 plus 2b equals to 4. This is 5 1 za 5, 2 za. So what we got? 2 plus 2b equals to 4. Okay, now see, this is 2b equals to 4 minus 2. 2b equals to 2. So what will be b equals to? B will be equal to 1. So we got the value of a 1 upon 5 and value of b 1. But our task is not over. We have to find the value of x and y. So how will we do this? See, after this, our very important word is resubstituting the values of a and b. So we had taken 1 upon x plus y equals to a. So I'll write 1 upon x plus y equals to 5. Okay, if I cross multiply, this will become 1. I beg your pardon, this is 1 upon 5. So this will become x plus y equals to 5. Okay, x plus y will be multiplied to 1, 5 also will be multiplied to 1. We got a new equation, that is equation number, I think so, 7. Okay, and the another value is 1 upon x minus y equals to b. We took it as b. So 1 upon x minus y equals to, what is the value of b? 1. So cross multiply x minus y equals to, you will get it 1. Okay, so now you got two new equations, that is x plus y equals to 5 and x minus y equals to 1. So simply adding will get y cancelled. So adding equation 7 and 8. So x plus y equals to 5, x minus y equals to 1, this is 7, this is 8. Y will get cancelled, 2x is equal to 6. Okay. Now what is the value of x? X will be 6 upon 2, x will be 3. So substituting x is equal to 3 in equation 7 I'll take. Okay, so x plus y equals to 5, 3 plus y equals to 5, y is equal to 5 minus 3, that is 2. So I'll write, I got the solution. What is the solution? First I'll write x 3 comma 2. Okay, how to do? Now next one, sum number 3. Okay, so we are ready with sum number 3, where you can see x minus 2 y plus 3, x minus 2 y plus 3 in the denominator. So we will substitute that first. 1 upon x minus 2 equals to a and 1 upon y plus 3 equals to b. Okay, now what we will get is, let this be 1, this be 2. What we will get is 27a plus 31b equals to 85. Okay, this let be third one, and this will be 31a plus 27b equals to 89. This is fourth one. Okay, now third and fourth one, if you observe and if you remember practice at 1.1, the coefficient of a is with b and the coefficient of b is with a. In such a case, what we did? Yes, we added them one time and then we subtracted it once. Okay, so what will we do? Adding 3 and 4. So we'll get a new equation, 27a plus 31b equals to 85 and 31a plus 27b equals to 89. Let us see the result. 9 plus 5, 14. This is 17, 174. This is b, 7 plus 1, 8, 58. This is also 58. Okay, so you can see this all three are divisible by 58. Okay, so we'll get a plus b equals to 3 dividing by 58. We got a new equation. I'll call this equation number 5. Okay, then we'll come here We'll subtract them once. Subtracting equation, I'll take 3 from 4th. Okay, so 3 I'll place below, 4th above. Third one is 27a plus 31b equals to 85, and fourth one is 31a plus 27b equals to 89. Okay, subtraction, sign changes, plus becomes minus, here also plus becomes minus. Okay, 31 minus 27 is 4a, 27 minus 31 is minus 4b, okay, equals to, this is 4. So very easy, what to divide with? A minus b equals to 1, dividing by 4. I divided by 4 and gave this equation number 6th. Okay, so you can see equation number 5 and equation number 6. B is simply getting cancelled, so I'll add equation 5 and 6. A plus b equals to 3, a minus b equals to 1. So I'll get 2a equals to 4, b minus b gets cancelled. Okay, so what is the value of a? A is equal to 2. Okay, so now replacing a equals to 2 in equation 5, I will take a plus b equals to 3. So 2 plus b equals to 3, b equals to 3 minus 2, b equals to 1. So we got the value of a and b. What is it? A is 2 and b is 1. Okay, so let us now start with finding for x and y. The very important term I told you, children, that is resubstituting. Okay, let us begin with resubstituting. So I have not cleaned up the value of a and b. Now I'll write resubstituting the values of a and b. So that is 1 upon x minus 2 equals to a. 1 upon x minus 2 equals to, what is the value of a? A is 2. Okay, so if I cross multiply, I'll get 1 is equal to 2 bracket x minus 2. Okay, so 1 is equal to 2x minus 4. Okay, so we got here a linear equation. We can solve this. 2x is equal to 1 plus 4. 4 I'll send it there, it will become plus. 2x is equal to 5. We got x is equal to 5 upon 2. Okay, very easy, we got the value of x. Now we'll write 1 upon y plus 3 equals to b. So 1 upon y plus 3 equals to, this is 1, b is 1. So y plus 3 cross multiply equals to 1. Okay, after cross multiplying we'll get y plus 3 equals to 1. So what is y now? Y is equal to 1 minus 3, y is equal to minus 2. Okay, so I'll write the solution. What is the solution? X is 5 upon 2 and y is minus 2. Okay, so sum number 4th, you can see here x plus y are not only in the denominators, but here in second equation, let us name this as 1 and 2. The second one, you have 2 outside the bracket. Okay, so what we'll do is, let 1 upon 3x plus y is a and 1 upon 3x minus y as b. So this becomes what? This becomes a plus b equals to 3 upon 4. Okay, what about this? This becomes a by 2 plus, sorry, this is minus a upon 2 equals to minus 1 upon 8. Okay, this is, I'll say this is fourth one. Okay, now this is in terms of a plus b we got, but here we are still struggling with the denominator. So it is very easy. I'll multiply this by multiplying by 2. If I multiply by 2, 2 will go away. This will become a minus b. Okay, this is b, I beg your pardon, equals to, if I multiply this by 2, this will become minus 1 upon 4. Okay, 2 ones are 2 fours are. So I got a new equation number 5. Okay, so a plus b equals to 3 upon 4, a minus b equals to minus 1 upon 4. Simply you can see, if I add them, b gets cancelled. So I'll write adding equation 3 and 5, third one and fifth one. So it will be a plus b equals to 3 upon 4 and a minus b equals to minus 1 upon 4. What will we get? Plus b minus b gets cancelled. 2a equals to 3 upon 4 plus minus 1 upon 4. Okay, so this will be 2a is equal to 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. Since the denominators are same, I can simplify the numerators. This is 3 minus 1. Okay, so 2a will be 2 upon 4. 2a will be equal to half. Okay, where will this 2 go? This 2 will again go in the denominator. So I got the value of a as 1 upon 4. Okay, now you can get the value of b. Okay, so here a is 1 upon 4. So you can see we have written replacing a equals to 1 upon 4 in equation 3. Equation 3 is a plus b equals to 3 upon 4. So I'll write here 1 upon 4 plus b equals to 3 upon 4. Okay, now b is equal to 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. So b becomes 2 upon 4. So what is the value of b? Half. Okay, so we got a is 1 upon 4, b is half. So what is our most important step now? Our most important step is resubstituting the values of a and b. It is resubstituting the values of a and b. Okay, so 1 upon 3x plus y equals to a. Okay, I'll write this 1 upon 3x plus y equals to 1 upon 4. After cross multiplying we'll get 3x plus y equals to 4. Okay, then I'll give this equation number 5. Also 1 upon 3x minus y equals to b. So 1 upon 3x minus y equals to, what is b? b is half. Okay, so if you cross multiply, this will become 3x minus y equals to 2. This is equation number 6. So we got equation number 5 and equation number 6. Next one. You can see if we simply add them, plus y and minus y will get cancelled. So what I'll do is adding equation 5 and 6. So what will we get? 3x plus y equals to 4 and 3x minus y equals to 2. Sixth one. So if we add them, this becomes 6x plus y minus y gets cancelled and 4 plus 2 is 6. So x is equal to 6 upon 6. We got the value of x. X is equal to 1. Okay. Now because x is equal to 1, we can find the value of y. Okay. We'll substitute in equation number 3 or equation number 5. Substituting x is equal to 1 in equation 5. So 3x plus y is equal to 4. I'm writing this as 1 plus y equals to 4. Okay, this is 3 ones are 3, so it will come here 4 minus 3. Okay, so therefore what is the value of y now? Y is equal to 1. So answer is very simple. What is the solution? Solution is 1 comma 1. X is 1, y is also 1. Okay, then with this we complete our practice at 1.4 children. Goodbye, good luck.